Hi, I'm Shamir, CEO and co-founder of Storylines. Welcome to the next episode of Our Storyline. Let's talk about live events. I've worked on live event shoots in the past, all the prep that goes into it, and it's intense and stressful, but a lot of fun. I love the demands of the live event. What I didn't love was what happens after the event, where you now need to edit the recordings. The organizers want the edits right away, but it takes a while to ingest all that footage, sync the cameras, and edit something coherent together. Say you're a production company that's been hired to shoot and edit this conference. Now you have a hard drive with all this footage. Import your files, organize your bin, sync multicams. So on average, let's say it's 3 hours per discussion per event. So on this 3-day conference example, well, you spend now 90 hours of editing time on these multicam shoots. It's at least 2 weeks after the conference that you're delivering these edits. And we asked ourselves, could Storylines tackle this challenge? Yeah, we can. Let's talk about that same workflow, but now supercharged by Storylines AI. Let's start with that 90 hours of footage. Dump it into Storylines. Storylines automatically syncs and crafts the multicams and then makes the cuts for you from wide to close-ups depending on who's speaking when. You'll already get the cut down. You can give it prompts around what themes to cut around. You'll get the summary edit and you'll get the social media cuts. Imagine you're uploading 2 storylines as the event is happening. By the time you get back to the edit bay, you already have the rough cut in your workflow. So the conference is over, you're back in the edit bay, you have all these rough cuts. Now you can focus on polishing, adding in the branding, motion graphics, and you're good to go. One of the nicest parts of all this, storylines fit seamlessly into your workflow, whether you're using Resolve, Premiere, or Final Cut Pro. Now your edit time has dropped to 30 minutes per edit. On that 3-day conference example, it's 15 hours total, so you save 75 hours of editing time. That's insane. And now you're turning around edits within days, not weeks. Storylines exist to solve these big pockets of tedious, mundane work, so you're liberated to focus more on the creative and the craft. Storylines' AI multicam video editor is in private beta. We're looking to invite the next cohort of users to try it out. If you're interested, DM me or sign up to the beta on storylines.video.